Welcome to our guide on troubleshooting common printer issues. Whether you're at home or in the office, printer problems can be frustrating. Let's dive in. Step 1 is to ensure your printer is powered on and all connections are secure. Check both the power cable and any data cables. Next, make sure there's paper loaded correctly in the tray. Check for any jams or misaligned paper. Step 3 involves inspecting the ink or toner levels. Low levels can lead to quality issues, so ensure they're topped up. If you're facing print quality issues, such as smudging or streaks, try cleaning the print heads or running a diagnostic print test. Encountering error messages? Note the code and consult your printer's manual or manufacturer's website for troubleshooting steps. Step 6 is about ensuring your printer drivers are up to date. You can always reinstall them for a fresh start. If you're using a network printer, check your Wi-Fi connection. Restarting the router or printer often resolves connectivity issues. If these steps don't resolve your issues, it may be time to consult a professional. They can diagnose technical problems you might not be able to fix. For more troubleshooting tips, check out the links in the description below. Together, we can get your printer back up and running.